Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of our complete crypto learning series, where we're diving into the Bitcoin network and Bitcoin nodes. If you've ever wondered how Bitcoin actually runs without a bank or government controlling it, this video explains it all. Let's dive in. Before we talk about the Bitcoin network, let's understand the basics. What is a network? A network is simply a group of computers connected together so they can exchange data. There are two main types: client-server and peer-to-peer. In a client-server network, like those used by banks or PayPal, all communication passes through one central server. This creates a single point of failure. If the server goes down, the entire network fails. In a peer-to-peer or P2P network, there's no central server. All computers are equal, acting as both clients and servers, forming a resilient web. Examples include the internet itself, BitTorrent, and Bitcoin. P2P networks are much harder to shut down, which is exactly why Bitcoin uses this model. So what is the Bitcoin network? It's a peer-to-peer decentralized network made up of thousands of computers running Bitcoin software, called Bitcoin nodes. These nodes connect directly with each other, without any middleman or central server. Anyone can join by downloading the software. Currently, there are over 17,000 reachable full nodes worldwide, ensuring no single point of control. Because there's no central server, there's no single point of failure. If one node goes offline, the network keeps running. To shut down Bitcoin, you'd have to destroy every single node on the planet simultaneously, which is practically impossible. So why does using a peer-to-peer network matter so much for Bitcoin? First, no central point of failure. With traditional banking, if a server crashes, you can't access your money. With Bitcoin, there's no server to crash. Thousands of nodes keep the network running, making Bitcoin unstoppable. Second, decentralized consensus. In a traditional system, a bank validates your transactions. With Bitcoin, all nodes check and agree on valid transactions. This agreement is called consensus. The middleman, the bank, is replaced by a global network of independent nodes verifying everything. This makes Bitcoin truly decentralized. All right, so what does the Bitcoin network actually do? The network connects all nodes, allowing them to share information. Nodes are constantly gossiping with each other. This constant communication keeps every node updated with the latest information, enabling Bitcoin to be sent anywhere instantly, without a bank. So what exactly is a Bitcoin node? A Bitcoin node is any computer running the Bitcoin client software. There are full nodes and light nodes. Full nodes validate everything and store a complete copy of the blockchain, while light nodes rely on full nodes for information. When people say node, they usually mean a full node, because that's what actually secures and maintains the Bitcoin network. So what does a Bitcoin full node actually do? A full node has 3 main jobs. Job number 1, follows the rules. Every full node enforces the Bitcoin protocol, like the rule that you cannot spend more Bitcoin than you own. This makes Bitcoin trustless. The rules are enforced automatically by the software. Job number 2, shares information. Nodes constantly share fresh transactions and blocks. Think of a block like a page in a ledger. The blockchain is just a chain of these pages linked together. Every time a new block is created, nodes share it so everyone stays synchronized. Job number 3, stores the blockchain. Every full node keeps its own complete copy of Bitcoin's entire transaction history since 2009. Because thousands of nodes store copies, no one can rewrite history or manipulate the ledger. This redundancy makes Bitcoin incredibly resilient. Here's the bottom line. Nodes are the foundation of the entire Bitcoin system. Without full nodes, there is no blockchain. Without the blockchain, there is no Bitcoin. Nodes maintain the rules, network reliability, decentralization, and verification of every transaction. They're the unsung heroes that make Bitcoin unstoppable, trustless, and decentralized. All right, let's recap. Bitcoin uses a peer-to-peer decentralized network made up of nodes. These nodes follow the Bitcoin rules, share transaction data, and store the blockchain. Because there's no central server, there's no single point of failure. Transactions are validated through decentralized consensus. That's what makes Bitcoin revolutionary. In the next part, we'll dive into blockchain technology itself. If you're finding this series helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. And if you're ready to start trading, check out our top 5 crypto exchanges video in the description. Drop a comment and let me know if this video helped you understand how Bitcoin actually works behind the scenes. Thanks for watching part 3. This is Trade Harbor, and I'll see you in part 4.